One of the things at the U-pickets that we looked for were the sweet roasters, and the field had been pretty well picked. There wasn't any left, but at the front they had them for $3 a bag. So we stuffed a little of the red, orange, and green in there. I'm taking them over to the grill later, and we're going to roast these, and then we're going to use them as smoked peppers. Here we are, we're roasting our roaster peppers. These are the sweet roaster peppers. I've got part of them on the grill. I've got it turned down low. I don't want to burn them, but I do want to kind of scorch them. We are halfway through the cooking. They're starting to brown up some. I added the last few fresh ones on there. Here's our paprika, or our roasted peppers that we've ground up. As you can see, beautiful red powder. I snapped them in pieces, put them in this coffee grinder, ground them up, and then I'm storing them in a little Manuka honey jar that I keep handy. I probably got a little more than what will fill this jar, so we'll use it in a recipe later today. This is a sweet roaster, but you can make a smoked pepper out of anything. It doesn't matter if it's banana peppers, jalapenos. These were roasters, but you could do bell peppers, any type of pepper you wanted. Even cayenne can be roasted or smoked over a fire, and they're beautiful. And the results is fantastic in any food you want to try. So, how to make smoked peppers, turn them into powder. Thank you guys from Crazy Days.